This is a screencast on how to use the annotation tools on a PDF file if a teacher has given you one that you want to put markings on. So I'm going to use this example. It's a link to an article that a teacher has given me to read, and it's a PDF file. When you open it, it should look something similar to this with a black background and then options up in the top right-hand corner. You'll notice it has a Google Drive, a printer, a download, etc. What I want you to do is click on the printer, and it will open up in a new tab. And when you do, it gives you the option of a pencil up here instead of the plus Google Drive. When you click on the pencil, it gives you the options of using the highlighter and the pen. When you click on the highlighter drop-down arrow, it gives you the option to select from many different colors of highlighters. I'm going to select the yellow one, and the thickness is decided by the bottom row. So how thick you want that highlighter to be. So I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to close that. And then when I find something I want to highlight, I just click and drag using my mouse, or you can use your finger on the touch screen. Now, when I want to switch to the pen, I need to click on the drop down and select a color. And again, lots of colors to choose from. And then you need to also select how thick you want your pen to be. So I'm going to select this one right here. When I'm done, I can close that out. And now with my pen, I have the option of circling things, or if I want to underline something, or if I want to draw something on a diagram, I can do that also. You can write words using your finger, or you can use your mouse pad. If you mess up on something, let's say you don't want to do something, you can either do undo, or you can use your eraser, which is right next to the highlighter. And if you just click then, or use your finger to erase. Now I want to save this. And so I am going to, and I'm going to just draw one more thing so I can show that I've done something. I want to use the drop down arrow here, this download button. It gives me two options, the original or the edited. I want to save my edited version so that I can submit this to my teacher to show my teacher that I have made annotations. So I'm going to click on edited. It opens up my drive, and notice down here at the bottom, it's giving me an option to name it. I suggest you name this whatever is the name of your assignment. So it's easy for you to find. So I'm putting example 1 just for the sake of being able to find it easily. Remember, it was saved in your downloads. I did not change that. And I'm going to go over here to my assignment. I'm going to click on submit assignment. And where it says file upload, I'm going to choose a file. And I can choose a file by clicking here. It is actually going to take me to my downloads. I saved it as example 1. And then I double click on it. Example 1 shows up here. If I have any comments I want to send to my teacher about my assignment, I can put that right here. And then I'm going to hit submit assignment. And once I have submitted my assignment, it will show as complete. Thank you for watching.